We are a company dedicated to contributing to the creation of an affluent, recycling-oriented society through our business activities worldwide. We are the DOWA Group. The DOWA Group comprises 5 businesses, and here in Okayama Prefecture, we are primarily engaged in 2 core businesses: environmental management and recycling, and electronic materials. For the DOWA Group, Okayama Prefecture is the most important base in Western Japan. We operate approximately 20 sites in Okayama Prefecture, employing over 1,000 people, which is more than 10% of the group's total workforce. The products and services produced by DOWA in Okayama Prefecture help people's lives in various situations. The connection between Okayama Prefecture and the DOWA Group dates back to the Meiji era. In 1899, Denzaburo Fujita, the founder of the DOWA Group, formed Fujita-gumi, the predecessor of the company, and undertook a land reclamation project in Kojima Bay in Okayama. Located in the heart of the region, Minami-ku Okayama City is the DOWA Group's largest base of operations in Western Japan. In 1916, Fujita-gumi began a mining business at the Yanahara mine in northern Okayama Prefecture. A large amount of iron sulfide ore containing sulfur and iron was mined at the Yanahara mine. Because sulfur is used as a raw material for chemical fertilizers and synthetic fibers, demand for it escalated before and after World War II. At that time, the Yanahara mine was the largest producer of iron sulfide ore in the East. In subsequent years, materials for various industrial products were produced from the iron contained in the iron sulfide ore. It was also in Okayama that the DOWA Group launched its first environmental management business: incinerating and recycling dirty oil used in factories. Now, the DOWA Group operates 2 core businesses in Okayama Prefecture. The DOWA Ecosystem Group is involved in the recycling of metal resources and energy, and in processing various types of hazardous waste. The DOWA Electronics Materials Group develops and manufactures cutting-edge electronic materials. We would like to provide a brief introduction, starting with the DOWA Ecosystem Group. Ecosystem Sanyo Company Limited. The plant has one of the largest incineration capacities in Japan, safely and reliably processing almost all hazardous waste generated on its premises. Some of the ash generated after waste incineration are processed into roadbed materials, which are used as a base for asphalt pavements and raw materials for cement. We have also started a business to recycle rare metals recovered from used lithium-ion batteries, which are expected to accumulate in large quantities in the future. Furthermore, we effectively utilize all resources, such as using the heat from incineration to generate electricity. Okayama Koyu Company Limited. At Okayama Koyu, we process hazardous waste from various plants by mixing and neutralizing to ensure safe and reliable treatment. The processed waste is treated at our group companies and cement plants. Ecosystem Recycling Company Limited. At Ecosystem Recycling, we primarily recycle precious metals and rare metals recovered from used cell phones, electronic scrap, and liquid waste from factories. By recycling these metal resources, we help reduce environmental impact. Our goal is to diversify our recycled products and services further to build a sustainable society. Ecosystem Okayama Company Limited. At Ecosystem Okayama, we mainly process automobile shredder dust, which includes resin, rubber, and other materials generated when recycling automobiles. Until the end-of-life vehicle recycling law came into effect in 2005, shredder dust was primarily disposed of in landfills. At Ecosystem Okayama, valuable metals are recovered after shredder dust is incinerated. By producing steam from the heat generated during incineration and using it to generate electricity, we meet most of the electricity needs of our nearby group companies. Biodiesel Okayama Company Limited. At Biodiesel Okayama, we work with Okayama City to produce biodiesel fuel by collecting used cooking oil from households, school lunches at elementary and junior high schools, supermarkets, convenience stores, and food manufacturing plants within the prefecture. Biodiesel fuel is gaining attention as a clean and environmentally friendly fuel. In 2021, we launched the first biogas power generation project in the Chugoku region, using food waste as a raw material. Biogas is generated by fermenting food scraps and expired food waste discarded from elementary and junior high school lunches, food factories, supermarkets, convenience stores, hotels, and restaurants. That energy is then used to generate electricity. Next is the DOWA Electronics Materials Group, another business venture based in Okayama Prefecture. DOWA Electronics Materials Group has plants in Okayama City and in northern Okayama Prefecture. DOWA Electronics Materials Okayama Company Limited. At DOWA Electronics Materials Okayama, we develop and manufacture high-performance materials for advanced electronic devices. DOWA Electronics Materials Okayama's products are used as raw materials for tapes for server data storage, fuel cells, and barium swallow, which is used for medical examinations, helping the lives of many people. We also develop products that utilize recycled raw materials and aim to build a recycling-oriented business in the manufacturing industry. DOWA IP Creation Company Limited. At DOWA IP Creation, we develop and manufacture a wide variety of products, primarily using iron as a raw material. DOWA IP Creation's products are used as materials for welding rods and metal components used in automobiles. They are also used in disposable heat packs, freshness-preserving agents, oxygen absorbers, and other products. Additionally, they serve as materials for carrying copier toners. We meet the diverse needs of our customers through advanced manufacturing technology and thorough strict quality control. DOWA F-Tech Company Limited. Located in Misakicho Kumegun, Okayama Prefecture, on the site of the former Yanahara mine, DOWA F-Tech manufactures ferrite powder, the world's highest level material for bonded magnets. Ferrite powder can be mixed with plastic or rubber and processed into industrial parts with various magnetic properties. Ferrite powder is used in rubber seals for refrigerators, magnet rolls used in printers and copiers, and door mirror motors used in automobiles. We continue to strive for the top performance in the world through ongoing technological development. The DOWA Group cherishes its connection with Okayama. Since 2007, we have been implementing the Kojimako Flower Promenade project, which aims to plant kawazu cherry trees with local residents and create a kawazu cherry blossom village around Lake Kojima. To date, more than 6,000 kawazu cherry trees have been planted, and the area is now a popular spot visited by many people during the spring season as a place of community relaxation. Additionally, since 2011, we have held the Kojimako Flower Promenade Exciting Health Marathon 5 times in Minami-ku, Okayama City, following a course around Lake Kojima. The Flower Promenade golf course operated by the DOWA group is another popular spot. The golf course is enjoyed by many people as a place where they can appreciate the natural beauty of the 4 seasons, including the kawazu cherry blossoms of the neighboring Kojimako Flower Promenade project. Since its establishment as a mining and smelting company in 1884, the DOWA Group has continuously evolved its business activities in response to changing times, forming its unique recycling-oriented business. Starting with the Kojima Bay Land Reclamation Project, Okayama Prefecture has remained the most important base for the DOWA Group in Western Japan to this day. We will continue to work with the local community, inheriting the desire of our founder, Denzaburo Fujita, to live in harmony with the local people. The DOWA Group will continue striving to solve various issues in society to create a sustainable world. A recycling-oriented world. DOWA.